This is the 2026 ROG Zephyrus Duo, and yes, it is a gaming laptop on steroids. If it isn't obvious, this guy has a second screen, and even better, it's packing top-of-the-line hardware with Intel Core Ultra 9 processor paired with RTX 5090 GPU. With this level of power, you can pretty much do it all. Stuff like AAA gaming and streaming, content creation, and even coding, this laptop can absolutely handle everything you throw at it. That said, we're gonna do a rundown on some of our favorite features of the ROG Zephyrus Duo so far. I'm your host Earl, let's get right into the video. Right off the bat, let's talk about that gorgeous dual OLED display. Not gonna lie, this one is massive, rocking two identical 16-inch ROG Nebula HDR OLED panels. These are touchscreen panels, of course, that have a sharp 3K resolution, a smooth refresh rate of 120Hz, and up to 1100 nits of peak brightness. It uses a 16:10 aspect ratio for that larger screen space, it's Pantone validated, and has 100% full coverage of DCI-P3 color gamut as well as Dolby Vision, in which content creators can really appreciate. That includes us. That said, everything looks sharp and vibrant with deep true blacks. Whatever you're watching or playing, these OLED displays deliver. One thing I really like is that both screens have anti-glare coating, reducing those pesky reflections useful for when you're working outdoors. Not to mention, artists aren't missing out. They can make use of the touchscreen for drawing too. The laptop supports Asus Pen 3.0 included in free bundles, offering tilt and a wide level of pressure sensitivity. Now, in terms of audio quality, just like with other Zephyrus laptops we've experienced, the audio quality did not disappoint. It features a 6-speaker setup with 2 tweeters mounted near the hinge and Dolby Atmos support. You get plenty of bass and crisp highs and mids. The audio is definitely loud and can easily fill a room, making the listening experience even more immersive. The next big thing about the 2026 ROG Zephyrus Duo is it delivers the best of the best laptop performance yet. Under the hood, our unit is powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 with 16 cores and 16 threads and 64GB of RAM. It comes with a discrete GPU as it should, packing RTX 5090 with an insane 24GB graphic memory. Notably, it comes with a total graphics power of up to 150 watts, which is definitely high enough for that sustained load in gaming and creative apps. Doing different workflows on this laptop is a breeze. Games load quickly and creative apps like Premiere Pro open significantly faster than what we are used to. Whatever games we threw at it, the ROG Zephyrus Duo nailed all of them, delivering high frame rates consistently throughout our gaming sessions. We played titles like Hogwarts Legacy and Red Dead Redemption 2, and they ran flawlessly even at higher graphics setting. Editing a video has also been a really satisfying experience. The preview playback on a 4K project is the smoothest I've seen, and rendering times are significantly fast. Take note, we can also do these things even if the laptop isn't plugged into a wall outlet. So that says a lot about its general performance and battery life already. We'll talk more about the battery life in a bit. What I also like about is how silent it can go. There is this ROG intelligent cooling in which the fans run only when needed. For example, if I was only writing a script and doing research, I'd toggle silent mode in Armory Crate. Then the laptop would turn off all fans as long as it maintains below 50 degrees Celsius. And speaking of thermals, it does heat up for heavy multitasking, but it's much more bearable, mainly thanks to its form factor itself. With a dual screen mode setup, the vents themselves are elevated, therefore having a more proper ventilation. Now, dual screen mode is just one of the many setups you could do with this machine. It's probably my favorite setup since I can watch something on one panel while editing a video or doing something else on the other. The same goes with gaming and streaming, whereas we can set up OBS separately from the main screen with the game running. It's much easier to manage with this kind of setup without having to use an actual second monitor. Now, for programmers out there, this is the setup for you. Book mode, where you turn the laptop on its side, giving you more vertical space to work with. Next, we have sharing mode, which I think is great for showing presentations or showing live edits on the go. The Asus Pen 3.0 is also useful just in case you need someone to sign a document or something. For gamers out there, tent mode may get your attention. Of course, aside from another way of doing presentations, you can actually play co-op games using this setup. And finally, there's the traditional laptop mode that works best for most of us. Honestly, it doesn't feel weird using it like this. There aren't any strange design quirks since it very much looks like your regular laptop, which we'll focus on next. Design-wise, the ROG Zephyrus Duo slaps. It has that familiar slash lighting design that we've seen from previous Zephyrus models before. With that, I think they're going for a more recognizable look instead of a radical design change, and it works, at least for me. Our unit is in the stellar gray color, sporting a matte finish all around. And the materials used here are quite resistant to smudges. Build quality feels solid with aluminum chassis and top lid, and there's virtually no flex whatsoever on the keyboard deck or the lid. Not to mention, the hinge and the kickstand are both made of magnesium aluminum material, which also feels sturdy enough to handle everyday flex. Having 16-inch screens, the laptop is a bit on the hefty side, weighing around 2.8 kilograms. However, it's still relatively slim, measuring 1.99 centimeter at its thinnest point. I also like that we get plenty of I/O selection here. Facing the screen, found on the left are the DC plug, HDMI, one USB 3.2 Gen 2, a Thunderbolt 4 and power delivery combo port, and the 3.5mm combo jack. On the right, there's another Thunderbolt 4, another USB 3.2 Gen 2, the SD card reader, and the power button. Lastly, let's talk about battery life. Not gonna lie, I can actually work on this laptop without having the so-called battery anxiety. The 2026 ROG Zephyrus Duo packs a 90-watt-hour battery, and when we use it for doing research, writing scripts, and watching videos on the side, it comfortably gave us about 10 hours of screen on time in dual screen setup while silent mode enabled. That's actually not bad, considering this is a Windows laptop. For gaming and video editing, it still lasted a decent amount of time of about 4 hours. When the laptop runs low on battery, the 250 watts charging brick refills the battery by 50% in just half an hour. I also like the fact that it's compatible with 100 watts power delivery, so I can just use a 100 watts laptop power bank whenever I work on the go. So there you have it. Those are some of our most favorite features about the 2026 ROG Zephyrus Duo so far. It works well like your regular laptop, and as soon as you detach the keyboard and set up dual screen mode, it instantly becomes a peak multitasking machine. If you're someone who cares about productivity, gaming, and streaming all in one device, you can't go wrong with the ROG Zephyrus Duo. The 2026 ROG Zephyrus Duo is now available at your nearest ASUS and ROG concept stores and authorized multi-brand stores nationwide. And you also get these bundles for free. So, what do you think of the 2026 ROG Zephyrus Duo? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our socials for more tech news and reviews. Again, this is Earl and the ROG Zephyrus Duo, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!